In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use one of our templates during a visit with a pet parent. There are two ways to record your visit. The first way is to go to the Scribe page on the top left-hand corner, which is the page we're currently on. Select the template you'd like to use. And then if you'd like, you can add the patient's name, but that is optional. Once you're ready, you can click Start Recording. However, please always remember to test your audio at the start of the recording or day to make sure that your microphone is working. Click Test Audio, select the microphone you'd like to use, and test it by clicking Start Test Recording. You should always see the sine wave when you are speaking, as that means your microphone is on. If you do not see the sine wave, like so, it means that your microphone is off and you need to check your microphone settings. Once you have tested your audio, you can click Start Recording. Ensure that consent has been approved by you and the pet parent, and start your message. Artemis is 5-year-old male neuter tabby cat, here for an annual exam and rabies and FVRCP vaccine. No vomiting or diarrhea, coughing or sneezing, but did have one bout of diarrhea 1 week ago, resolved with a bland diet. Currently on Revolution once a month. BAR, heart rate is 120, lungs sound bilaterally clear, no heart murmurs ausculted, respiration is 12 breaths per minute, no pain palpated, all four legs ambulatory, gave 3-year rabies vaccine in right rear leg sub-Q, and 3-year FVRCP vaccine right front leg sub-Q. Advise owner to monitor for vaccine reactions. If you'd like to pause the recording, you can click Pause Recording and resume your recording like so. Once you are done with your recording, you can simply click the Generate Notes at the bottom. It will take a few moments to generate your notes. See, our notes are being generated right now. If you'd like to make any changes to the template to further capture specific details, you can click on the template at the bottom to make your refinements and then click Save. The template will be automatically reprocessed. You can also go to the Actions tab at the top right-hand corner and click Regenerate Notes as well. The second way to generate a medical note is by going to the patient's visit in the All Visits tab, which we are currently on, if you've already created a visit for that patient. Select the patient, go to the Notes tab, click Add to Visit, and you'll be taken to the Scribe page where you can follow the steps as before. Select the template you'd like to use, start recording, and once you're done, end the recording and click Generate Notes on the bottom. Thanks for watching.